In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zephyr plugin in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Zephyr added to your Jira site and ready to explore for test management and automation. Let's start from your main Jira screen. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right permissions to install apps, usually a Jira admin. On the top navigation bar, look for the option labeled Apps. It's typically near the top, alongside other menu items like projects and filters. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Jira collects everything related to integrations and marketplace add-ons. After clicking Apps, a drop-down or side menu will appear. From there, you want to find and select the option that says Explore More Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace within your Jira instance. The Marketplace is essentially Jira's app store, where you can browse, search, and install both free and paid apps. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search field and type the word Zephyr. Take a moment to check your spelling so the right results come up. As you type, Jira will start showing suggestions related to Zephyr. In the search results, you should see entries that match the Zephyr product line. Look for the Zephyr options displayed there and click on the one that best matches what you're looking for. This will open the app's detailed page where you can see an overview, screenshots, reviews, and compatibility information. From those Zephyr results, specifically locate Zephyr, Test Management and Automation for Jira. This is the main Zephyr app used for managing test cases, test cycles, and automation directly inside Jira. Click on that listing to open its full description page. On the Zephyr app page, you'll see a button that says Try it for free. Click on Try it for free to begin the installation process. At this point, Jira and the Atlassian Marketplace will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Simply follow each prompt carefully. You may be asked to confirm the site where you want to install Zephyr, accept app permissions, and wait while the installation completes. Once the process finishes, Zephyr will be added to your Jira, usually visible from the Apps menu or through new test-related options in your projects. From there, you can start configuring it according to your team's testing needs.